If you want to activate Grammarly Premium, there are a few different ways to do it depending on how you got access. In this video, I'll walk you through each method step by step, whether you have an activation code from a school or company, whether you already purchased Premium, or whether you received an email invitation. By the end, you'll know exactly how to unlock Premium features and make sure your account is active. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's look at the most common business or school setup. If you received an access code or an invitation from your organization, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Sign in with the email address connected to your Grammarly account. Once you're logged in, open a new tab and go to grammarly.com/enterprise/signup. This is the page where Grammarly lets you join an organization or activate access through an enterprise account. On this page, enter the access code that was provided by your school or employer. Make sure you type it exactly as given, because even a small mistake can stop it from working. After entering the code, click Apply or Join Organization. If the code is valid, Grammarly should immediately update your account and show premium access. In most cases, you'll see the change right away, and your editor will start unlocking premium tools automatically. Now, if you already paid for a Grammarly Premium subscription directly through the Grammarly website, the process is even simpler. In many cases, all you need to do is log out of your account and then log back in. This refreshes your account status and tells Grammarly to recheck your subscription. So if you're on the Grammarly website or desktop app, sign out completely, then sign back in using the same email address that you used to buy Premium. Once you return to the editor, look in the bottom left corner. You should see the word Premium instead of Free. That's the easiest way to confirm your subscription is active. If it still shows free, give it a moment and refresh the page, or make sure you're signed into the correct account. A lot of people accidentally log into a different email, so always double check that first. Next, let's go over what to do if your company invited you by email. This is another common method for activating Grammarly Premium through a team account. Open the invitation email sent by Grammarly and look for the Accept Invitation button. Click that button to continue. You'll usually be taken to a sign-in page where you should log in using the exact email address the invitation was sent to. This is important because if you use a different account, the invite may not connect properly. After you sign in, Grammarly will prompt you to join the team account. Once you accept, premium features are usually unlocked automatically. This means you'll get access to the advanced writing suggestions, tone improvements, clarity tools, and everything else included in Premium or the organization plan. If you don't see Premium right away, don't panic. First, refresh the page or close and reopen the Grammarly app. Then check again in the editor. You can also confirm your plan by going into your account settings and looking at your subscription or membership status. If the account says Premium or Team, then activation was successful. If it still says free, repeat the login process and make sure you're using the correct email linked to the subscription or invite. One quick tip, if you're activating through a school or company, always use the code or invitation exactly as provided, and don't try to create a separate new account unless your organization specifically tells you to. That helps avoid confusion and makes sure the premium access is attached to the right profile. Another helpful tip is to keep your invitation email saved until you've confirmed everything is working, just in case you need to return to it later. So, to recap, if you have an activation code, log in, go to the enterprise sign-up page, enter the code, and join the organization. If you bought Premium yourself, log out and log back in to refresh your subscription status. And if you received an email invite, accept the invitation and sign in with the same email to unlock the team account. That's all it takes to activate Grammarly Premium. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.